Namaste and good morning. So today we're gonna work on taking care of our heart and blood circulation. So many people reached out to me and asked me what we can do to keep our heart healthy. So let's work on that. So let's stand tall. Make sure that your feet are together, or maybe you can keep it a little bit apart. Press your fingers into with bring your arms in the side. This is called a mountain posture or Tadasana. With the inhale, take your arms toward the ceiling. Hold for a couple of breaths. And then interlace your hands and stretch your arms toward the ceiling. And bring your arms in the side. And now turn and try to do reverse Namaste. You might be here, or once you have the open shoulders, you will be here. Make sure that you are pressing your shoulders to the back. And after that, slowly release your arms, bring your both arms toward the ceiling. And now we're going to work on the Gomukhasana or cow face. So you're going to bend your right arm. And first step, you're going to bring your left hand on the right elbow and lift your arm. So you're opening your right shoulder. And then come back, take your left arm to the side and you're trying to reach to the other hand. You might be here, or all the way up. Now make sure that you're pressing your right arm with your head to the back. And release your arms. And do the other side too. Bend the left arm, right palm, the left elbow, lift the shoulder up and then toward the right side. And then try to reach to your hand. Might be here. Feel free to grab a rope or strap, that's very helpful. Or you might be somewhere here. Hold for a couple of breaths. And then release. Next one is triangle. So open your legs more than hip distance apart. Turn your right foot to the right side, straight. Turn your left foot a little bit inside. Bring your arms on the side. And now create a nice triangle in the right side. So you're taking your left hip to the left side. So the nicer the triangle you have, the deeper the stretch you're getting. Try to keep your both arms at the same height. And now use your arms as wings and slowly lower your right arm toward the floor, left arm toward the ceiling. So you might be here, or once you have enough practice, your hand will touch the floor. Either you look at your right foot or the left hand. Hold for a couple of breaths. And when you're ready, slowly come back. And let's try the same thing on the other side. Turn your right foot to the front, left foot to the left side, and your right foot a little bit inside. Open your arms and create a nice triangle in the left side. And then slowly go down. So now you will see you're opening your heart and getting a nice stretch on the right side of the hip to all the way to your hand. And when you're ready, slowly come back. And now we're gonna work on the stretch side angle. So now you're gonna bend your right leg. Make sure your right knee is not going over the right heel. So this is warrior 2. You're looking at your right hand and now you're bringing your right hand either inside the right foot, left arm toward the ceiling, or you can bring in the left side. Maybe use a block. Looking at your left hand. And when you're ready, slowly come back and try the same thing on the other side. Either you are here or you are here, or maybe put your left hand on the block and slowly come back. Next one is Ardha Chandrasana or half moon posture. The starting point is maybe come to the warrior 1, maybe your high lunge, and bring your both hands on the floor and then slowly shift your weight on the right foot. Bring your right hand in front of the right foot, straighten the right leg, and as well as the left leg. So first straighten your legs and then you can lift the arm. Now either you look at your right foot or you can look toward the ceiling. You can always reverse the half moon posture where you are bringing your left hand in front of the right foot and lifting the right arm. So this is a little bit intense. And when you're ready, slowly bring the leg down and come back. And you try the same thing on the other side. You start from here and then bring the hands on the floor. And then first work on lifting your legs. And then you open your hip and take your right leg toward the ceiling. How much you can lift, looking at your left hand or the right hand, both are fine. And when you're ready, slowly come back. And the next one is open your legs as much as you can. Interlace your hands behind your back. Look up, inhale, and with the exhale, bring your head towards the floor. You might be here. Make sure wherever you are, lift your arms toward the ceiling. You might be here, or you are pointing your fingers toward the ceiling. Hold for a couple of breaths and bring your hands on the floor. Now shift your weight on your hands and then you can open your legs a little bit more. And then even you can go a little bit more down. You can try to bring your forearms on the floor and eventually you're gonna touch your head on the floor. Maybe you can straighten your arms. Hold for a couple of breaths and slowly come back. Shift the weight on your hands, bend the legs and slowly come. So make sure you're taking your time. And the next one is downward dog. So you are starting from here. Make sure your fingers are wide open. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up toward the ceiling. Now your hands and feet are hip distance apart. Make sure your weight is equally divided on your hands and your feet. Now lift the hips up and press your heels toward the floor. Downward dog. Hold for a couple of breaths. And when you're ready, bring the knees down and